let me share something with y'all. On this channel, we have tested a lot of different subwoofers, and some of the subwoofers were very expensive. Some of them were very cheap. As a matter of fact, the last subwoofer that I viewed here on the channel was the Sundown Audio X12. This subwoofer is over $600 and something. Depending on where you are in shipping, you're probably talking close to $700 just to get this one single subwoofer part of your system. And that's not even talking, other costs of running it, installing it, putting it in a box, stuff like that. So this thing can get very pricey. You're talking average of $1,000 just to get up and running, out the box, wiring, amplifier, whatever. And I'm not knocking this subwoofer. This subwoofer is a monster. I mean, just look at it. It's over 60-something pounds of straight brute strength. And that's what it was designed to do. It's designed to hit the low frequencies very effectively, very powerfully. And it does that. So I'm not knocking the company or the product. What I am knocking are people who think that these are the only type of subwoofers that you should buy. What I am knocking, what I am getting upset about is the fact that you have people out here in our community, part of the car audio community, that will make someone feel bad because they don't spend $600 on a subwoofer. They will make someone feel some kind of way because their subwoofer is only $25 or their subwoofer is only $50. And then they go and they become these brand ambassadors for these very expensive subwoofers, making everyone else feel like crap, or trying to make everyone else feel like crap. Well, let me tell y'all something. Subwoofers are at different price points for a reason, because not everyone, for one, have $700 to spend on a subwoofer, and not everyone wants or needs to spend $700 on a subwoofer. Stop listening to these type of people. These people are poison to our community, and I'm going to tell you why. Some people that are in car audio because that is that one thing that make them feel like something. You don't know what that person would be doing if they were not doing car audio. Car audio, for all you know, probably saved some people's lives. That person, that individual could be out there breaking the law in some way. They could be abusing drugs in some way. They could be on their way to prison in some way. They can be mentally depressed. And this is the one thing that gets them out of the house, that gets them going and looking forward to something. Learning about the science behind it. Learning how to hook these things up. And learning how to manipulate DSPs and stuff. For all you know, this car audio hobby that we're in right now probably earned this person a degree at some point. Got them interested in some type of electrical field, engineering field, for all you know. But you don't care about that part. Only thing you care about, most of these people, is selling somebody something. Because I'm going to tell you something. The majority of people who are telling you that your gear is not expensive enough, your gear is not powerful enough, your gear is trash, is because they're trying to sell you something. They are marketing something else to you. Just listen to them. Listen to the ones that are doing that for the most part. They are either brand, I put them in two categories. They are either brand ambassadors. That's what I call them respectfully. Some people call them bandwagon riders. I'm going to call you a brand ambassador. Or they're marketing something. They're trying to sell you something. Don't listen to these people. Love your gear for what it is. If it puts a smile on your face, if it makes you happy, then continue with it. Don't make nobody else make you feel bad because of the gear that you are rocking. Now listen. Some of y'all probably wondering like, wow, where's this coming from? He never put a video out like this before. Well, I'm going to tell you something. I was in the process of doing a video on one of my favorite subwoofers of all time. Favorite subwoofer. It's not a CT Sounds. It's not a JL Audio. It's not a Sundown, a Sony, a Pioneer, or any of those big names. It's a Power Acoustic GW 124. This is a Walmart sub. This is my favorite sub right here, and I'm going to tell you why. This is my favorite sub because any high schooler, junior high kid can walk into Walmart today for less than $100 and get a subwoofer that's over 1,000 watts RMS. When I first played this subwoofer, it impressed me so much that I just had to do a video on it. Even when I wasn't even into videos, you guys can go look on my channel and look at the crappy video I did of it, because it really surprised me at this price point that you can get this type of performance. I have two of them now. So I'm in the process of researching the subwoofer a little bit more in depth, making sure I'm not giving you guys regurgitated information. I'm bringing you something a little bit different about it. So you research the other channels, see what's already been said. And I'm in the comments and I'm looking like, what is wrong with these people? You're crapping on the sub because it's cheap? That's the stupidest thing I ever heard in my life. I never heard anything so stupid. So Rockville don't have a place in car audio? SKAR audio don't have a place in car audio? As a matter of speaking, right now you can go to any of those dealers I just talked about, SKAR audio, Rockville audio, CT Sounds. You can hit up Big Jeff and you can get a whole system for the price that it costs for a Sundown X12, $600. For $500, you can get a whole SDR kit over here at SKAR audio. You understand what I'm saying? For $200-300, you can get an MTX system over here at Rockville. At CT Sounds, they offer kits as well for under $500-600. You can get a whole kit. You're talking subwoofer and an enclosure with an amplifier and a wiring kit for that much money. So these people who went that route, they're not worthy of being able to boast about their system, to be proud of their system, to be happy about their system. What is wrong with some of y'all, man? That's the dumbest thing ever. Listen, man, y'all stop listening to those people. Okay, so what I've done now is I've turned the box around, and what I'm going to be doing now is rerunning that SPL test to see how loud it can get while it loads off the back of the trunk. Everybody knows, typically when you turn that box around and let it load off the back, it gets a little louder, so let's rerun that test and see if we get any better numbers. Okay, once again, we're going to do the bass sweep from 150 down to 20 hertz at low power. Hertz. All right, so that was 133 decibels, 49 hertz, peaking very, very high. Last time it was 36 forward facing, but facing the trunk they want 49 hertz. So I'm going to do both. I'm going to do 49 hertz and then I'm going to do 36 hertz. 49 hertz, you guys see it yourself. There it is. I'm going to that thing took all that power. That's a lot of goddamn power. 7,000 watts through one sub. I didn't even hear it bottom out. That's crazy. We got a 142.4. A 142.4 at 49 hertz. I don't think it likes 49 hertz. Woo, shit. Let me reset. I'm gonna put this on 36 and then I'll get back with you guys. Thanks for visiting the channel to help you simplify car audio. It's the Budget Basshead and I'm out.